Today I have taken one question from exercise 3.7. That exercise is optional from NCERT 10th Maths. The question is question number 3. It is written there, the train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, full stop, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time, full stop, and comma, if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, comma, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Let us solve this question. This is a word problem question. What you have to do? You have to go through this word problem twice and thrice and underline the key points with the help of a sharp pencil in the question itself. Now I am going to underline the key points here. A train covered a certain distance in farm speed. If train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. If the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Now, what you have to do? You have to find out the distance covered by the train. Here, solution will be, let the actual speed of train be x kilometer per hour and the actual time taken be y hours. Now you can see here certain distance at uniform speed. If train would have been 10 km per hour faster, this means that the speed of train has been increased by 10 km per hour. So then what result will be? Train will take 2 hours less time than the scheduled time. Now come to here. According to first condition, train would have been 10 km per hour faster. Therefore, x plus 10. Here, the speed of train has been increased. Earlier, the speed of train was x km per hour. Now, here it says 10 km faster. Now, the speed of train has been increased to x plus 10 km per hour. Then, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. Here scheduled time is again actual time taken by train is y hours. So this is a y hours is the scheduled time. So here 2 hours less. This means that y minus 2. And since this is speed increased speed of the train and this is reduced time, both will be multiplied together, you will get distance. Distance will be xy. Speed into time equal to distance. Speed, time. Now this will become equation number 1. Now come to next sentence. It says, if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, slower according to second condition, according to second condition imply that if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, this means that 10 km slower, x minus 10, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Y plus 3, both will be multiplied together, you will get here xy. This will become equation number 2. Now, what to do next? Now come to simplification of equation number 1. Here, taking equation number 1, x plus 10 dot y minus 2 equal to xy. Implies that, now multiply. If you multiply, this will become y will multiply to x, this will become xy plus, and 10 will multiply to y, this will become 10y. After that, minus 2 will multiply to x, this will become minus 2x, and plus 10 will multiply to minus 2, it will become minus 20 equal to xy. Now you can see in left hand side xy is there, in right hand side also xy is there. Both will be crossed together. This will become minus 2x plus 10y equal to 20. This will become equation number 1. Now taking equation number 2, taking equation number 2, x minus 10 y plus 3 equal to xy. Now things will get multiplied. Xy minus 10y plus 3x minus 30 equal to xy. Here xy will be brought out. This will become implied that 3x minus 10y equal to 30. This will become equation number 2. Now here I shall write grouping equation number 1 and equation number 2 together. Now here we will write equation number 1, minus 2x plus 10y equal to 20. That is equation number 1. Now second equation, plus 3x minus 10y equal to 30. Now here just simplify both the equation. Here you can see plus 10y, or here you can see minus 10y there. If you add, the terms related to y will be cancelled out on adding. So here it will get only x equal to 50. X equal to 50. What is x? Here you can see actual speed of train x km per hour. The x will be km per hour. Now what to do next? Putting x equal to 50 in equation number 1. What will be x equal to 50? This is equation number 1. If you put here x equal to 50, let us see what result comes. Minus 2 will be 1 bracket, 50 will be 1 bracket. Here write plus 10y equal to 20. Now comes out to this one. This will become minus 100 plus 10y equal to 20. Imply that 10y equal to 120. Imply that y equal to 12 hours. Here you got x equal to 50 km per hour and here y equal to 12 hours. Now here you can easily write hence the distance covered by train equal to, here you can see actual speed of train you have got here x equal to 50 km per hour. So speed into and actual time taken is 12 hours per hour. Both will be multiplied together. So you will get, if you multiply both, you will get 600 kilometer. The answer will be 600 kilometer. This will be the correct answer, which has been asked in the question. Okay guys, thanks.